Hey everyone, once again welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I'll start the recipe with the wrap first, then the kebab or the patty, and finally I'll show you how to assemble it. Take 1.5 cups of refined flour or all-purpose flour or maida, whatever you call it, and add a pinch of salt to it. Then add 1 cup milk and give this batter a good mix. Milk will make these wraps very soft and a bit stretchy as well. Then add water in batches and mix the batter properly. Make sure there should be no lumps in the batter. Then add 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil and mix it thoroughly. Then allow the batter to rest for at least 10 minutes. Then take a griddle or a pan and grease it properly with some oil. Then pour 2 tablespoons or 1 ladle full of batter over it and then cook it from both the sides. So spread the batter in a nice round shape, and when it starts to dry from one side, just carefully flip it over to the other side. Your flame should be at low to medium temperature at this stage. Then press and cook it from the other side as well. So guys, if you will make wraps in this way, with a liquid batter instead of that roti style that is kneading a dough first, then rolling it in a form of a roti or a tortilla, you'll see that your wraps will come out much more softer and yum. So I'll show you. Look how soft and amazing these wraps come out to be. This level of softness can never come if you will make these wraps with that dough method. Okay, now let's move on to the kebabs.
Take 1.5 cups of soy chunks. You can also take soy curls or soy granules. Start off with washing them. So you just need to wash the soy chunks couple of times and then boil them for 5 minutes. Now generally we don't boil them and only soak in water for few minutes in order to soften them. But remember, we are not just softening the chunks, we are actually cooking them. So that's the reason we have to boil it, because in this recipe, just soaking will not do the job. Now transfer it into a colander and drain the water. Let them cool down first and then squeeze out all the excess water. Make sure we hardly want any water in it. So just press it hard and squeeze the chunks as firmly as possible. Now time to blend all these squeezed chunks. So take them in a blender jar and add green chilies, garlic, a small piece of ginger, asafoetida or hing, and salt. Blend everything together into a fine paste. Now add red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, some cumin seeds, and cilantro or coriander leaves. Now grease your hands and give it a shape of a patty, also known as kebabs or tikki. Now grease a pan or a tawa and roast these kebabs from both the sides until golden brown. Now look, our kebabs look beautiful from both the sides.
Now time to assemble our wraps. So place a wrap on a flat surface and spread some tomato ketchup. Spread it evenly all over it. Then keep 1 or 2 patties or kebabs over it and press and spread it in one straight line. Then start keeping your favorite veggies over it. Like I'm using some shredded cabbage, some bell pepper juliennes, carrots, tomatoes. You can use whatever vegetable you like. Then add some green chutney over it. Also add some sweet and sour tamarind chutney. Well, I'll give the link in the description box below. Do check it out. In fact, I'll recommend you to prepare both these dips and store it in your refrigerator, as you can use them in so many recipes. They immediately enhance the flavor of any dish in a blink. Now, I'm adding few dollops of cream cheese also. And that's it guys. Simply roll it over and enjoy. Guys, this kebab roll recipe is absolutely customizable. You can use any sauces, dips or chutneys of your choice, including any vegetable or patty. So give it a try and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.